Hello guys, welcome back to Coding T Point. Today I'm going to write a C program without using main functions and printf string without using printf functions. So let's start. Class include studio.h. Why me? Guys, I am saying that I will not use the main functions. So for this we need to define a preprocessor directive has defined. I write here has defined start as a main or has defined. I will take here display as a printf. Now see, we need to write here only start, and for a printf we can use here display. I write here display. Write your code. Welcome to Coding T Point. Also, if you want, take a background and foreground color. Save this one. Compile it. See, there is no any error. Now I execute it. It will give you the message, welcome to Coding T Point. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Happy coding with Coding T Point.